Good morning, Miss Neville's math students, and here's the Friday check-in. I wanted to go over with you our schedule, our math schedule for quarter two. I don't want you to worry about having to get used to new times or new things. Everything is staying the same, but there is an added math class day. Because we're a little bit behind in pacing, and because some of you are going back to school in January 25th, it's going to be really important to Miss Neville as your virtual math teacher to make sure that you are prepared for when you return to face instruction. So I wanted to go over this schedule with you so that you're able to know what you need to be able, what days you need to come to class and what times you need to come. It's important for you to know that I need you in math class every day. Now, I understand things happen, doctor's appointments, all of those things. But in order for you to be successful in my math class and prepared for when some of you return back to face instruction, you need to be here daily. I do not teach the same thing 4 times in a week. I'm moving on every day to adding on to what we're learning and recording those lessons in case you miss them. I don't know about you, but I don't agree that recorded lessons are just as good as Miss Neville's live instruction. I think live instruction is better because you're able to ask questions or get help with something in real time. But if the recorded lessons are working for you, that's fine. On Mondays, remember, we come to class from 12:28 until 1:44. Usually we're only in that live session for about 30 minutes, and then Miss Neville assigns an assignment for you to work on through Schoology, or now your new online math textbook. If you don't know how to use your math textbook, please go back and watch last week's check-in where I go through how you sign into your math textbook and how you find that link. Tuesday, we come to class from 11:12 to 12:28. No change there. We're still coming to class at the same time on Tuesdays. Wednesday, 12:28 to 1:44. Thursday, 11:12 to 12:28. And now our new edition, dun dun dun, dun, our new edition is on Fridays from 12:28 to 1:44. That's going to be a day where Miss Neville is moving on with instruction, just so we can have some extra time to get some assignments done. And while you're working on that day on Friday, the lesson will still be recorded if you can't make every Friday class. But as always, with all of the classes throughout the week, I need you there. Okay, we're learning new things and I need you there to be prepared. Also, for some of you going back to school to face instruction, you need to start stretching your muscles to know that you're going to be learning 5 days a week and not having a work day like you do in virtual in the math class. So it's important that we understand this schedule, that we're completing our assignments. Remember that test, your Unit 1 test is open, and you have until today at 4:30 to finish it up. If you would go ahead and finish your assignments in your new folder, complete your test, and as always, please ask Ms. Neville any questions you may have through email or remind. Bye, guys.